Hey y'all, it's your chocolate princess. We are here on the princess boat looking for somewhere to sit. We late, so I don't know where we're gonna sit, but let's find somewhere to sit. Let's see. Okay, you guys, so get in the comments, tell me what you're thinking. It's really, really nice. We're trying to get it together.
All right now, Tony.
Stoney in the building, y'all. Hi, beautiful.
My sister told me.
Sister.
My sister told me to tell you how much I love you. I did.
Yeah, tell her thank you, and I really appreciate this. You know what, because it's not often that people say kind things, they quick to say negative things. So I appreciate the kindness, beautiful. Thank you. Beautiful. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, come on, baby, we gotta find somewhere to sit. You know what? It ain't likely we get no seats right here in the front, but anywhere. So this is the princess, this is the boat ride, y'all. I don't know where we can sit at. Okay, they got we just need a seat. Yes, how you doing? How you guys doing? Good. Thank you. Thank you.
Where you sitting at?
I'm trying to find a seat right
You
here.
know I'm like, come on and take your food. You better hurry up. I need to pick your stuff up. I need video taking you.
Thank you, Mama. You gotta, how you get a seat around here? I don't want to fight nobody. Yeah, okay. Oh, these are real. Are they reserved?
Touching your body,
For me?
become closer, become closer.
Which one? You want me right here?
Oh, let's make love tonight. Love me forever. Turn up the lights. Oh, let's make love tonight. Love me like candlelight. Turn off the lights, baby. I'm caught in the passion. Nothing
I think we're gonna get somebody to get one of these things.
feels so right, baby.
wait as long as I can. Shorty smooth. Something. I don't know what it is, but it's something with it. Hey, hey. The ambassador in the building, y'all. Thank you. Hey. DJ Shorty Smooth in the building, put that work in, y'all. Hey, yeah, yeah, hey, hey, hey. DJ Shorty Smooth on the box, y'all. Putting in that work. Hey! How you doing? Nice African attire the brothers wearing. line for dinner right now, so the dance floor is kind of quiet. But I'ma still video and let y'all see what it is. Still got a few die-hard steppers right out here. In the building. Miss Shauna, what you want to say? Oh, you just, she giving us that wave, that president wave, but we love you anyway. It's hot in here. Okay, y'all, I'm just walking through here trying to show y'all who here. Right now, everybody's getting ready to eat, so they in line. Ain't nobody trying to dance too much. We got a few people, but most people are in line. Or, well, some people done got their food already. You know what? I'm not sure. It looks like it, though. It looks like it. What y'all knew I didn't know? Because I'm seeing y'all new. Everybody got food. Don't nobody on that end now. Well, they finding out slowly. Cause see, they still dancing down there. They don't know yet. Well, for the most part, it is. How you doing, beautiful? How you doing? Thank you. Thank you. Is it your birthday? Happy birthday. Yeah, happy birthday, sis. There's a lot of people in here, y'all, and it's hot. Yeah, I need a fan too. I'm going to get my fan. Yeah, it's hot. I should have brought my small fan. Hey, you got a funny way. Hey. That's y'all seat over there? I like the green. Thank you, beautiful. I'm going to get my fan because I'm about to fall out. It is. I'm old. Right. Some of y'all ain't got nowhere to sit. We do now. We did. Oh, okay. Oh, y'all just got here too? Like me. Right. She said, yeah, that was your first one. She is right there. I'm going to get my fan. Pardon me. You guys, there's so many people in here, and it's 3 or 4 levels to the boat. I don't think I'm gonna make it off of this level. I'm on the second level, excuse me. But I do know that I'm gonna have to get my fan because it's really, really warm in here. You can look at my face and see that I'm sweating. Y'all can see it. I'm just a cat with a Hey. Hey. Funny way, y'all. That's my song. Go, yours is too. We were still in the same. And I got that fan. I'm about to get that fan before I fall out. Yes, ma'am.
we got to get some kind of organization for those food lines. We have 4 lines. So you guys don't have to be in the middle of the floor. So everybody get in line, everybody gets served. There's plenty of food to be served. So she needs y'all to kind of get those aisles clear because it's a fire hazard. So we got, so you can go back and sit down, there's plenty of food, and get back in the line. There's plenty of food.
So y'all gotta get off the dance floor with the lines. And you also have to create a walkway. So the staff is coming through, they're gonna give you instructions on what we need to do. You just gotta pick it between listening to good music or standing in line for food. I know it's a hard choice.
It's a young lady out there is putting on y'all what she needs you at, so this is her, she puts you out in the right get served food.
Y'all got like 4 lines going to the same place.
Hey, baby, good to see you.
You hold the bowl like it was real
y'all.
good.
On the boat with all of us.
And my wife took all the food.
Show enough high.
All right.
We good?
We good, it's gonna work. So you'll have the second floor right now.
How you doing? Hey. Oh, after I eat, please come and get me, okay, baby? Hey, Miss Linda, looking all cute. So everybody's pretty much eating now, but we do have a few diehards out here on the block. DJ Shorty Smooth on the box, y'all. I gotta keep saying that. Putting that work in, y'all.
nachos
And
and
I
cold
mean,
food over the
they
DJ.
are.
I'ma see how bad y'all wanna eat. I'm dead wrong for this. Why are these shit? Where the fans at? Where the fans? Who gon' stay in the food line? Where the fans? Let's go, y'all.
Go, Shorty. Go, Shorty. Hey, boots on the ground. They done got up and left their place.
I got my boots on the ground. Where the fans at? Get up by your seat.
Hey.
Move. Cowboys and cowgirls, they feeling the groove. Sipping on moonshine, fire barrel. I'ma get behind that thing, girl, and hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. Oh, 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 got my boots on the ground. Yes, sir. Lord have mercy. Oh, got my boots on the ground. Fans, please. If you got the knees, we gon' get it up. Everybody's dancing to that tune. Join
Oh, my girl on the sideline popping at y'all.
Hold on to your man, 'cause Stella's in that building, y'all, and it's going to fan. Oh, 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 got my boots on the ground. Yeah. Oh, got my boots on the ground. Wait a minute. Boots on the ground, kicking up some dust. Boots on the ground, kicking up some dust. Wait a minute now, where them fans at? Where them fans at? Where them fans at? Give me one time, give me two times. Oh, 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 I got my boots on the ground. Yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 I got my boots on the ground. Wait a minute, let me do that one more time for the one who ain't hear me. Listen. Boots on the ground, kicking up some dust. Boots on the ground, kicking up some dust. Wait a minute now, where them fans at? Where them fans at? Where them fans at? Hit me one time, hit me two times. Oh, 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 I got my boots on the ground.
Hey, get it in, y'all.
Oh, 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 I got my boots on the ground. Y'all know I don't mind. Yes, sir. Boots on the ground. Where them fans at? Boots on the ground. Where them fans at? Where them fans at? Where them fans at?
Shorty did it to him.
What it do? Oh boy. What y'all know about a supermodel? Fresh out of Hair magazine. Buy her own bottles. Look, pimp juice, I keep it on. Bad little mother. Oh, now you bad girl. If you're a bad girl. Players, when you see me, act like you know me. I keep $1 worth of dimes. No pimping ain't easy.
Pimpin' ain't easy, y'all, but somebody gotta do it. Like, what?
If you're a bad girl, get me bad girl. Work me, baby. Shaking it the way you like. I'm ready to be bad. I need a bad girl. Get me bad girl. What sexy lady coming on with me tonight? I'm ready to be bad. I need a bad girl. Bad, baby. Get me bad girl. Now I've seen a lot of bras all on one car. If you're a bad girl, get at me, bad girl. Work me, baby. Shake it the way I like. I'm ready to be bad. I need a
The
bad
Mac in the building, y'all. On the princess, y'all. Nothing but a yacht. That's all it is. Hey.
I'm ready to be bad. I need a bad girl. Bad baby, get at me, bad girl. Give me one of them. Give me one of them. Give me one of them. One of them. Give me one of them. Give me one of them. Get at me, bad girl. Give me one of them. 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 Let's go with me, shout it. Get at me, bad girl.
Hey, Kurt, keep that shit out.
I got what you're looking for. Come see me in the VIP. It's very necessary to be the kind of girl for me. If you are, then baby, girl, let's leave. Work me, baby. Shaking it the way I like. Ooh, shake it to be bad. I need a bad girl. Get at me, bad girl.
Hey, hey.
Lady, coming on with me tonight. I'm going to be bad. I need a
If y'all not here, you certainly missing it. I know you can see it. This is only one level. It's 3 more of them. And all of them look just like this. And it's only Thursday. What? What's good?
Give me one of them. 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 Oh, 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 oh. Get at me, bad girl. Give me one of them. Give me one of them. Get back. Give me one of them. I wanna see you. Get at me, bad girl. Give me one of them. Give me one of them. Stay back. Give me one of them. See you. Get at me, bad girl.
Let's go to work right here on a Thursday, on a Juneteenth weekend, right now it's 20th anniversary. It's going down, y'all, this weekend. We're gonna set sail in a minute, so put that food down and we're gonna party.
When I think about you, I think about giving myself to you. 'Cause you know I want you, babe. And I will do anything. I know you're thinking the same thing, babe. So come and get it, babe. I'm so excited, I can't have my feelings get it. I won't stop till we start over and finish it. Tonight it's all about my baby. I'm feeling for you, get me high. I can't stop you, feel me right. Close the door, let all floor. I just want more. I can't get enough of you. What I got in store, it's all of yours. I just want more. I can't get enough of you. Close the door, let all floor. I want more. I can't get enough of you. What I got in store, it's all of yours. I just want more. I can't get enough of you. When I think about us, I think about the way that we make love, the way that you make me sweat, make me want a cigarette. And I ain't no smoking chick, but you got me wanting it, so don't stop. You making me hot, right there. We gon' take and turn it, so keep it right there. My adrenaline is pumping right, stomach muscles getting tight, skin so wet my fingers slide. Gon' take you to a place you ain't never been. Again and again, want you to feel it, baby. Ooh, I'm about to handle my business fast. Make sure you handle me too. I just want more. I can't get enough. I can't get enough, baby. It's all of yours. I just want more. I can't get enough of you.
Like what? What?
I can't get enough of you.
I'm gonna have to go get my food in a minute, y'all. But I'll be back. Or maybe I'll leave it rolling.
Maybe that you have to switch to third round and make me scream like when I put it down. I want a little show to let your baby know, but then I should be screaming uncontrollably. Hope you're ready to
reminder, y'all, don't forget tomorrow and Saturday, the event is going to be at the Ford Center, so if you guys need transportation, I got Maurice XL Transportation in the building. Make
Mr.
sure you
Rodney
see him.
Mack. Listen
For
here, I
information,
love you, I
If
love
you
you, I
need a
love you.
ride, Maurice Turner. XL Transportation, the number is at the hotel.
Yes,
He has a sign up as well. DJ Shorty Smooth. Let's go to work. All y'all, the boat is taking off. We're gonna turn up, y'all. We're gonna turn up. Hey, fellas, let's get these ladies up on this floor. You came back to the game. Get their dance on. Let's go to work, fellas. Let's go to work, ladies.
You make your moves already?